Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to record a macro. I'm gonna use the sales forecast for 2026 spreadsheet to calculate the forecast, and I'm gonna base our forecast from the December 25 actual sales from this individual salesperson. And the instruction was to give the forecast 10% incremental growth every month up to December 2026. So we're gonna base it from the actual sales. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record the macro now, open the developer tab, then I'm gonna click the use relative references, then click the record macro. I'm gonna name a macro forecast 2026. Then I'm gonna use a shortcut key of Control Shift A, then click OK. So we're gonna calculate equal sign, multiply the actual sales by 1.1, that would be 10% increment, then enter. Then I'm gonna copy it all the way down to the last salesperson, then position my cursor in D3 and open the developer tab again and then stop recording. Okay, let's find out whether our recording is gonna work. So remember the shortcut key, Control Shift A. So I'm gonna click Control Shift A. Okay, see, it's working. And okay, you can also do the go to the developer tab, then go to macros, then this is the macro, then run the macro. Okay, but that would be hassle. So there's another way to really automate the clicking of the registration of the forecast every month. I'm gonna use a I'm gonna use a button, macro button for this. So form controls this button. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, then I'm gonna assign a macro for this. We already have the macro, so I'm gonna say forecast 2026 and click OK. Then I'm gonna change the name of the button. I'm gonna say forecast. I'm gonna say FC 2026. Okay, that would be our button. So now we can click. Okay, can click April, May, June, July. Okay, August, September, September, then October, then November, then finally December. Click. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you use the macro for automating your report. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.